Step 6 is to drain the engine coolant and remove the radiator. Now that those engine covers are off, it makes it really easy to drain the radiator. Don't forget to open the radiator cap. The next thing I need to do is remove the overflow hose and the two radiator hoses from the engine. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'll need to take out this electrical grommet and unplug the fan. So the next thing I need to do is remove this bolt and this bolt to remove the radiator bracket. Next thing is to just pull the radiator out.